the most valuable player of the 2015 PBA season.
From the San Miguel
Beermen,
Junmar Fajardo! Of course, this is a back-to-back win for our The Kraken. He was also recognized last year for the same award.
And since his mentor, Lakay Danny Ai, since Bogs Adornado, since Alvin Patrimonio, Junmar Fajardo becomes only the fourth player in PBA history to win back-to-back MVP awards.
And of course, behind him is his teammates and the rest of the fans of San Miguel Beermen, as the Kraken once again brings home the most valuable player award.
At ngayon, Junmar, we will hear from the 2015 PBA MVP.
Pakilagyan na lang ng subtitle yung TV nyo, mag-Bisaya ako ngayon. Una-una sa lahat, napapasalamat ako kay God sa lahat ng blessings na binigay niya sa akin, sa pamilya ko. Salamat din kay God sa lahat ng mga tao na binigay niya sa akin para mag-guide sa akin. Siyempre, salamat din sa PBA. Maraming pangarap na natupad dito. Salamat sa lahat ng governors, sa media, sa kapwa ko player. And salamat po sa inyo lahat. Salamat din sa fans ng San Miguel, sa fans ng PBA. Salamat.
Maraming salamat, bye. Once again, your most valuable player, Junmar Fajardo.